Hello guys, welcome to Excel setting. Today we will learn about table and table design. So I have this table. If I click anywhere in the table, this option table design will appear. If I click on this one, you will see some different options inside here. So the first option we have is table name. We can change the table name and give it any name we like. So we can refer this table easily when we are writing down any formulas. Then we have this option resize table. So resize this table by adding or removing rows and columns. You must be thinking when to use this option. So you can use this option when you edit a new data outside the table and you want to include it without creating a new table. Or if you want to exclude some rows, columns from the current table, or you are reorganizing your data. So first, can you see this row? This row is not in this table. And I want to add this in table. So I will click here and resize the table. If I click on this one, this dialog box will appear. So here I can manually adjust by typing the new data range for my table. But note that it must remain in the same row and the resulting table range must overlap the original table range. Either we can write here manually or we can just reselect our entire table, including the last row as well. Here you can see it was 11 before, now it's 12 here now. If we select OK, now we added the new row in our table. Now, for example, I want to remove some rows from this table. For example, I want to remove these last two rows from my table. So I will click again anywhere in my table and then click on resize table option. Now here, either I can type manually, and instead of 12, I can type 9 here. I can type 10 as I want to remove these two rows. So I can type 10 here manually, or I can just select here or I can just select here. I type here manually, so I will click OK now. So as you can see here now, the last two rows are removed from this table. These are not deleted, these are just excluded from this table range. So shrinking table will remove the table formatting and features from the cells but not delete the data. Hopefully you understand the resize table option today. If you like this video, press the like button and keep learning about Excel.